Welcome to Assignment Universe. I am your host, Mike Dawson. Astronomer Carl Sagan once said that science was the best method ever to develop critical and skeptical thinking. He described a Baloney Detection Kit in his best-selling book, The Demon-Haunted World. This kit has tools for testing and detecting fraudulent arguments. Many authors, university professors, and high school teachers used Carl Sagan's Baloney Detection Kit to hook students into understanding how real science works and how to distinguish real science from pseudoscience. Here's Carl Sagan's 10 tools for skeptical thinking from his best-selling book, The Demon-Haunted World. Number 1, whenever possible, there must be independent confirmation of all the facts. Number 2, encourage substantive debate on all the evidence by knowledgeable proponents of all points of view. Number 3, arguments from authority carry little weight. In science, there are no authorities, just experts. Number 4, spin more than one hypothesis. Don't just run with your first idea that catches your fancy. Number 5, try not to get attached to your own hypothesis just because it's yours. Number 6, quantify whenever possible. Number 7, if there's a chain in your argument, make sure every link works. Number 8, Occam's razor. If there are two hypotheses that explain the data equally well, choose the simpler hypotheses. Number 9, ask whether the hypotheses, at least in principle, can be falsified. In other words, can it be testable? Can others duplicate the experiment and observe the same result? Number 10, the reliance on carefully designed and controlled experiments is key. Baloney detection and critical thinking skills is like playing a musical instrument. It takes lots of practice. Carl Sagan inspired millions of television viewers through his TV show, Cosmos. He was also a pioneering NASA scientist and an award-winning educator. Thank you for joining us today at Assignment Universe. You can learn more about Carl Sagan and his Baloney Detection Kit at carlsagan.com and skeptic.com. This episode of Assignment Universe can be downloaded at the iTunes library. I am your host, Mike Dawson. Join us again for another episode of Assignment Universe.